it should be, you know, a lovely little video for all of the people to watch on the YouTubes later, if this thing actually produces video that is conducive to uploading, which I hope it does. Because otherwise you won't be seeing this, because I'm not dedicated enough to rebox this. Alright, so here we go. This little thing here, which as you can see is in just impeccable shape. Shipped via Pitney Bowes, absolutely lovely shipping company. So I could get quite the surprise here, which is another reason why we're doing this live on the air. Alright, this is not from Pizza Pizza. Okay, let's see. As I have two lovely sayings over here. We have Poopney Butts and Pitney Hose. Alright, and that is totally going on the video, and somebody is totally going to make a soundbite of it. Now, I have no idea. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? Because I'm sure that I'm going to have a whole bunch of, you know, the bitch factor on this video is going to be high because the frame rate's low. There isn't anything I can do about that. This webcam sucks, but it is what I'm stuck with. Or would be what I'm stuck with if I didn't have this. Oh yeah, I think I'm such hot stuff. Watch this. I'm going to break absolutely everything and give everybody vertigo. On the air. Isn't that nice? Alright, so let's see if we can do this. See if this camera will actually sit straight for long enough for me to do this. Okay, good enough. Oh yeah, no, not live, but somebody certainly would make a comment about it. I got so many comments about this. You know, the video is so backwards, it's poor quality, standard definition, it's 2018, man. Whatever. Anyway, can you even see what I'm doing? No. This is a swiveling webcam, though. Actually, the other one is swiveling, too, but this one should make my job a little bit easier. And this one can focus. Isn't that nice? So let's unceremoniously cut the tape somehow. Yeah, this is live. Isn't that nice? Okay. So the tape is cut. Any guesses as to what this is? Not that it really matters. People on YouTube will know based on the title of the video. And I think everybody here already knows. Wow, that looks like crap. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I am going to do the... I'm going to just hold it. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Then the computer will probably screw up. Ta-da! Look at that lovely packaging job, which I don't fault the seller on. I'm pretty sure the seller had nothing to do with that. Alright, here it is. Oh, yeah. A Unicomp keyboard would be a lot bigger than that is. Alright, let's get that box out of the way. In fact, you know what I'm going to do? I think I'm such... Like I said, I think I'm such hot stuff. This is what I'm going to do. Whee! Oh, man. Yeah, the production value of this just went straight through the floor. Here it is. It's actually heavier than I expected it to be. Given that it's not... Well, it is mechanical, but it's not mechanical. And it's actually pretty small. It's a 10-keyless keyboard, so it doesn't have the stupid, ridiculous number pad. And I'm sure I'm going to get caned for daring to say that on video. I don't like number pads. Oh, look at this. Isn't this nice? Check it out. Absolutely stupendous packaging job. Alright. So, there's your unboxing of this little thing. Which is, does it say on it what it is? TG3 Electronics, KBA, NBLTA. This is BLT, bacon, lettuce, tomato? Where's my bacon, damn it? Oh, man, wow. No, I think, at first I thought that said that it was backlit, but no, it's not backlit. But it is I believe these are Cherry MX black key switches. So, not the best things in the world, but if I can actually hold it here and hold the microphone. Wow, this is like great. I wonder if you can actually hear that. No, it's not a mush board. Actually feels pretty nice. But I'll still take my clicky keyboards over that any day. That said, the reason why I picked it up, you can see how small it is. Probably should have bought more than one, but this is going to go in the new and improved low-end radio studio. And well, that is pretty nice. I was expecting the keys to be a lot lighter than that, to be honest with you. So if I remember right, there's somebody here that has... One of my bothers has a Cherry MX black bass keyboard, and the key switches are a lot lighter than what this is. Of course, I'm one of those fools that bought one of those Razer Black Widow keyboards, whatever, with their fancy switches that are a knockoff of the Cherry MX Blue for like some, what is it, like some stupid travel thing? Okay, in my defense, I got it for like $40. Normally they retail for over 100. I got it for 40. That's the only reason why I have it. So, yeah, there you go. But there is your unboxing. Alright, so I think at this point the video is going to shift over to a typing demonstration and also a demo of the trackpad that it's got on it. Okay, so we'll talk about the keyboard here in a second, but first, let's have a chat about Pitney Bowes. You saw what that box looked like, how big it was. This is the only packing material. I mean, come on. I don't remember exactly where it came from. I think it came from Nevada, LA, or maybe Florida. I know one package came from Nevada and the other package came from Florida. Not LA, Las Vegas. I don't know where LA came from. But anyway, one package came from Vegas, the other package came from Florida. That said, this is the packing material. Like, what the hell is this? We're talking about a keyboard here. This has got a lot of fragile parts. Lots of keys that can pop off, break off. You know? This can get damaged. It can get scratched. This is plastic. It can get broken. I think the bottom is metal. I think it's got a metal bottom plate, which is pretty nice. But I mean, come on. Come on, guys. Like... And you see this stack of SSDs here. 5 SSDs that I bought. This is the packaging that came in. Like, what the hell is this? Like, really, what is this? This is not... It was like one of these envelopes inside another envelope. I have my doubts the seller, either of the two sellers of these two things, had anything to do with any of this malarkey here. This is ridiculous. So, whatever. Anyway, let's get on with this keyboard and the trackpad. Actually, I'm very surprised at the quality of this. I was expecting, you know, other than the keyboard, which is based on Cherry MX black key switches, you know, the keycaps themselves feel very nice. They're not, obviously not the highest quality things ever, and you can see there's definitely some QC issues there. It doesn't quite come up to the same height as all the rest of the keys, but for being linear key switches that take a lot of force to actuate, they're not too bad. Personally, if I have to have a linear key switch, I'd rather go for something from Alps, or perhaps Cherry MX Red. It's unfortunate that the Cherry MX Red is a very uncommon key switch, because I happen to think that it's a very nice key switch, but alas, that's what it is. And of course, you get the trackpad, and these are very nice feeling buttons. It's not like mush or anything like that. You get a nice click. So anyway, let's go plug that in the computer and try it out. The other thing about this that's surprising given the price, this is a very high quality USB cable. Unfortunately, you don't get a whole lot of it, but I like to see that. Other than these like flimsy little tiny things that they're putting on keyboards now. Like, that's ridiculous. Good quality. Okay, now unfortunately this isn't really going to be that great of a demo because I don't have a tripod with which to work. So we're stuck with this. When I've got it hooked up to at least the machine it will be temporarily hooked up to, and I can tell you right now that works very well. It's not low res on the trackpad here. I kind of wish it probably was a little bit higher DPI. I mean, that's pretty much what you get. And as I mentioned, these buttons are actually really nice. Tap to click works. Let's see if you can disable that. So we'll go ahead here in Notepad, and we'll give you a little demonstration. And because of the way that this works, this is going to have to be an audio-only demonstration, but hopefully you'll get something of an idea as to what the keyboard sounds like. One thing that I'm going to say for this mouse is it's not very easy to click and drag with one hand. Or perhaps it's not really designed for that. Also, in case you're wondering, there is no num lock and no scroll lock, because of course this keyboard really doesn't need anything like that. And that little thing there is actually an LED, and it's a nice green LED. It's not blue or anything like that, like it usually is on modern things. Alright. So I think that is pretty much it for this video of the TG3 Cherry MX Black key switch keyboard. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them down below. And this is CP666 signing off, and I hope to see you next time. Till then.